This is the Living Craft Show. Visitors come here to watch artists and craftspeople working. There are a lot of interesting and talented people at the show today. You can watch them make all kinds of fantastic things. And you can buy many of these things too. Andrew is a sculptor. He makes sculptures with clay. It's a difficult job, and he can't work quickly. Richard is a sculptor too. But he makes wooden sculptures with a chainsaw. He can make sculptures very quickly, but it's a dangerous job, so he always works carefully. Visitors can't try using a chainsaw, but they can try many other things at the show. Simon teaches people to carve stone. Even children can try it. Jasper is only 10 years old, but he can carve very well. You can learn to paint here too. Some of these people can't paint at all, but Linda's a great teacher. By the end of the lesson, they can all paint a little bit. There are many talented young craftspeople working at the show today. Neil makes traditional wooden furniture. He uses a very old tool called an adze. He wears special shoes because the adze is quite a dangerous tool. Emily makes beautiful silver jewelry. She works quickly and carefully. Visitors can buy some of her necklaces and earrings at the show today. Ben makes modern wooden furniture. Some of his furniture is very expensive because it takes a very long time to make. Anna makes interesting ceramic sculptures. The designs are very unusual. All of the artists and craftspeople at the Living Craft Show are very talented, and it's wonderful watching them work.